Hey, how's it going, guys? Hey, my name is Sam. Well, I'm a new beginner at Blender. You may also be new beginner at Blender as well. Well, I came up with this issue where I'm trying to close these tabs. Oops, I'm here creating like 1,000 of them. No matter how hard you try to close them, you're still trying to create more. So tiny bit you can't even see anything. As per all tutorial or instruction, we were told like, hey, wait till the cursor of the mouse turn into these, these cross. I'll have to just drag it. Oh no, it's not letting me because you guess this little circle stop telling you nope, it's not happening. So there may be other way to fix this. I don't know. So as for me, the way I figured out how to fix this. It's pretty simple, I don't know if there's a tutorial the same as what I'm doing. I don't know, maybe there is, I don't know. But as for me, this is what I found out. All right, let's just say if I'm trying to close this one right here, right? If I try to drag it to the to the right, it's not letting me. If I drag it to the left, it's still not letting me. If I drag it down, oh no, it created more. Like I said, I'm a new beginner. We make mistakes. We don't know what we're doing. We're just trying to do our best. All right, let's get to the point. This is how you fix it. Technically, the way it works is you got to make sure that each tabs are like equally the same, like vertical or horizontal, equally. What do I mean by that? So this tab right there and this one right here, it's the same from left to right. I can actually merge these two together. Boom. If I try to merge this one and the bottom, it won't let me because there's two different tabs right here, maybe four, that prevents me from closing it. As you can see right here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs right here. Is it 4 or 5? I don't know. All right, see how these two are like the same? I can close this pretty easy. Boom. Can I close this? No, I cannot because there's 2 tabs right here. So therefore I got to combine these two in order for it to work. I can just go like that. Boom. Oh, there's actually one tiny bit there. I didn't even see it. So you got to pay attention to little tiny tabs too. Sometimes they could be the reason why you cannot, close what you're trying to do. So I can just grab this, wait for the little cursor, drag it down, boom, close it. See, now these one are the same now. So I can just grab it, boom. These two are the same. Why? Because there's nothing preventing me from closing them now. So I can just click. Nope. Yeah, click and drag. Boom. See how these guys are the same? 1, 2, 3. Nothing is prevented from closing. I can close these 3 at once, like that and like that. Boom. On the side, there's 1 and 2 tabs. So once again, I can't close that one because this one at the bottom prevents me from closing this one and that one. So therefore, all I do is just take the bottom one, merge it with the first one, and then now I can merge this one with that one. Same for the bottom. I can grab this, bring it to the left, boom. Once again, I cannot bring it up because these two are prevents me from, doing my work. So I gotta combine these two together, boom. See, now they're all the same. I can just grab this, boom, easy day. Same with this, take this, boom, easy. Once again, I can't bring this up. I can't bring this one up as well because there's 2 tabs, there's 1 tab over here. So therefore I have to combine these 2 at the bottom. So good. Combine these, boom, and now combine that one. All right, that leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tabs. So again, I can just take this when I want to, boom, mix this. I can take this guy right here, combine that one, and combine that one together. Combine that one together. The last 2, combine that one. And finally, the last 2, can just combine this. Very simple. Well, I hope this video kind of helped you a lot because I was really confused. I couldn't find no way to fix this. So please give me a like, really appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe because I'm also learning Blender. I may come up to some issue where YouTube cannot help me. I have to figure out some way to fix this. So I'm also doing special effect videos, which I'll be combining with 3D animation. So I hope to get your support. So please give me a like, subscribe. I really appreciate it. So hey, I hope this helps you a lot. Well, take care and have a good day. Ciao.